Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. We spent 32 hours getting over here with 3 flights, 2 tight connections, and a 2-hour taxi ride to our final destination of Ubud in Bali, Indonesia, which is where we're staying for the next 5 nights. Today is our first full day here. Last night we got here, got some quick food, and then went to bed because we were completely exhausted. But today is our first full day, so let's get started.
Sun's up in beautiful Bali, and we're excited to explore. First off is our first Balinese experience, which is going to be riding on a scooter behind, or using Grab to ride on a scooter behind 2 different people. Melanie's going to take one scooter, and I'm going to take another one. And we're gonna have our first official Balinese taxi experience, if you consider that. But first we gotta order it on Grab, which if you don't know, Grab is the primary app for to order what they would call the Uber here. So yeah, let's grab the Uber. So Melanie left. Now my ride is coming because we had to get separate ones. Should be coming up shortly. So I'm gonna change to the Osmo so that we don't have catastrophes with the camera. After a 10-minute, maybe?
Yeah, 5 to 10 minute ride.
We have made it to the monkey forest, which is where a lot of monkeys, and if you've seen videos, are. And here you kind of have to be careful because monkeys will take your stuff. But we have come here because we love monkeys. As you can tell by our previous Japan series, we love monkeys. Thank you. So, time to explore a park with monkeys. Thank you. Just at the start of this park, we have our first visitor visiting us from Bali. Pretty cool area. Of course, you got to be cautious of monkeys just jumping on you whenever. They will open your bag. I just saw somebody's bag get opened by a monkey, so you got to be careful with that. But in this park, they also have a very it's a really nice park. They even have a little cemetery or yeah, I guess that's what it's called, of monkeys that have passed away, and I think that's pretty neat. I'm enjoying this, of course, trying to be cautious of the monkeys, but otherwise they're pretty good so far.
And it was 100,000 Indian rupiah, which is 6
Indonesian rupee, not Indian.
Rupee versus rupiah. But yeah, it was roughly about $6 per person to get in here,
which is not entirely bad. Anyways, let's continue this monkey exploring portion of our vlog. Say hi. Yep, he's going for it. No. Stay right there, dude. Yep, that's right.
So this sacred monkey forest dates back to the 14th century and is home to over 1,200 monkeys, which are considered sacred in Bali. So even though it is kind of a tourist attraction, it is a very special place and highly recommended if you come to Ubud to come check this place out and hang with the monkeys.
What's up? No. 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 We spent right about an hour to 2 hours at the park. That park was pretty cool. Lots of monkeys.
And they tell you not to stare into their eyes because they do get aggressive. We saw some monkeys that were trying to like get into other people's belongings, which we were told can happen. Didn't happen to us.
Our backpacks are pretty hard to get into though.
Yeah, but one did try to like grabbed my skirt and tried to, I don't know what it was trying to do with my skirt, but I kind of swung it around. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, I unfortunately missed my opportunity of recording that. I was recording another monkey, just kind of looking after another monkey, and then while I was recording that, that all kind of happened. Our next activity has to do with food, so we're not gonna try to eat a lot because we don't want to get full for this next thing that we have planned, which we'll talk about more later. We're gonna search for some food and we will see you at the place that wherever we land.
We're at Warung Lava Lava and we just got our drinks. I got a huge thing of water because I feel very dehydrated. So I plan to drink most of this. And Paulo got a banana smoothie, like blended banana, and a ginger cooler, which has like ginger and lime. They both look really good. We got some spring rolls, and then I got Balinese chicken curry, and Paulo got the chicken fried rice. Very excited for this. I love curry, so I'm excited to see what their like Bali's take on curry is. We already ate our egg rolls and they were amazing. They had like the little, the tiny little like vermicelli noodles in there. So not like the traditional type of egg roll you'd get in the US, but still amazing. And then we just got our food. I'm going to try mine out. Looks very hot. It doesn't really remind me of any sort of curry, to be honest with you. It's more of just like a soup, like a mild soup. But the flavor is good. Like I don't taste any curry powder in there, so I'm not exactly sure what's in this. It's good. It's got chicken and zucchini, I think some parsley and some sort of leaf. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but yeah, we're gonna eat this and then we'll head to the palace.
That is some good chicken fried rice right there.
We are currently at Ubud Palace, where we are meeting our tour guide, I guess they would be called. We're doing a 9-course Balinese cooking class, and we did one in Thailand and it was so much fun, so I'm really excited to do this one. I don't even know what the 9 courses are, so we're both in for a treat.
Made it to the location, got our aprons on. Let's get to cooking. We are officially done cooking, and this is what we made.
We made 9 different dishes. We made chicken satay. It's essentially like chicken and a banana leaf. We made like a little salad, sweet tempeh, Balinese fried rice, and a satay, a tomato sauce. Put all the dishes on here so you can see what they are. And lastly, we did make a dessert that'll be coming.
And we've already kind of tasted all of it, so we will give you our review at the end, but we're gonna dig in and talk to you in a bit. And a 30-minute drive back. We're back in Ubud. We enjoyed our cooking class. We enjoyed all the food that we cooked. It was all delicious, and now we're crossing the road in this crazy road. But if you recall earlier, we came to this exact place. We were, this is where we got picked up for the cooking class. So this is all we had planned for today. So let's see what we get up to. Now we are in a market. It's like a night market, but in a building. So we're just gonna walk through it. There's not a night market like outside, and then I think we'll call it a night afterwards. But yeah, let's go to this market and see if we find anything cool.
After a long day, we're back in our hotel room for the night.
It has been a pretty hot day, but pretty good. We did quite a bit, but now it is time to end this vlog. So 2 things of the market. So we ended up going through the whole market and going through a couple of several stores, or not through, but you gotta be careful because the scooters drive through there. And it's a pretty tight spot too.
Yeah, it's funny because it says it's close to cars, but of course the scooters still go through, so just be careful.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was overall a really fun day.
Yeah.
Cooking class was amazing.
It was
Highly
delicious.
recommend.
We did bring leftovers too.
Yeah.
Because it was so good.
Our late night snack.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep adventuring, and we'll see you next week.